Good afternoon, YouTube, ASM, trolls, whoever you are that's watching this video. This is the Beta BTC Spectre BETA, and I made a pretty fast gun out of it. I'm using a Turnigy 2200 milliamp 40 to 50C 11.1 Lipo Spectre BETA, Spectre BETA SHS high torque motor. It's the newer ones from broarmory.com. They don't heat up anymore. It's cool. I can't fry eggs on these anymore. And I'm using a 10:1 DSG set. It's ridiculously fast, so I'm gonna use the Spectre's functions to lower the rate of fire down later. But here's just a video to see how fast it is. It's ridiculous. And these SHS motors, they don't heat up anymore. It's pretty cool. Fast, eh?